The world is alive. All around us, the air, the water, the soil are full of life. In them are microorganisms too small to see, forming a web of interconnected, constantly evolving, mutually entangled biomes. We are deeply embedded in this web of life. We breathe it, we drink it, we eat it. We are it. Just like the earth, we are alive and host more life. Consider that the number of cells in our bodies is a fraction of the number of cells of the organisms we host within us. We are and are a part of a much larger, more complex, and more dynamic process than we're led to think. Why do I call my seascapes inhalation and my skyscapes exhalation? I suggest that they are alive. In my art, symmetry is a code for life. A majority of organisms we consider living are bilaterally symmetrical. By extending symmetry to things conventionally considered without life, I ask you to reconsider them in a special way. Once our reverence for life is extended to the universe, we see it and ourselves in a wholly new light. In a fuller recognition of the miracle we participate in, we make space for wonder and amazement. We open ourselves to a more sacred way of being and to ways of being more sacred. I create in order to participate in the miraculous. And I invite others into the process so that they too might experience, create, and share their own experiences. The rich upwelling of association that accompanies symmetry not only brings us in closer contact with universal nature, but also with our particular selves. Our experiences will vary, sometimes a little, sometimes a lot. I intentionally make space for each viewer's unique experience and encourage exchange and sustained interaction. In this way, the art may also become a living thing. When I'm in nature, I feel that I am in the presence of a spirit, and that I come in deeper contact with my own spirit. I've come to understand that the two are not as separate as I once thought. I believe we are not apart from nature, but a part of nature. The most important aspect of my art is the deepening of a felt connection with nature. It's a celebration that can be shared. My art is a call to connection. It's a call to connection with nature, the matrix from which we're born, which sustains us while we're alive, and to which we return when we die. When addressing the massive ecological issues facing us today, we are not talking about altruistically saving the earth. We're talking about preserving the habitability of our environment, our future. In so many ways we shape our environment. We can do this negatively or positively. My work is to encourage conscientious creative interaction with our total environment. My art is a call to connection with us. If we feel that we are a part of nature, conscientious practices may no longer need to be legislated. They may simply happen. If we feel that we're not insignificant, we'll act to make our own positive contributions in our own unique and creative ways. I encourage you to reconnect with nature. I urge you to be a part of the solution.